This video demonstrates cleaning on our PureWash E930 seat. While all KOHLER Bidet seats should be cleaned in a similar manner, please refer to your product-specific homeowner's guide for the most accurate cleaning instructions. For best results, use a mild antimicrobial detergent mixed with water. Avoid using abrasive chemicals like bleach, disinfectant wipes, or undiluted vinegar, as they can damage the toilet seat finish. Spray all surfaces and allow the mixture to remain wet for 10 minutes. Then, wipe the surfaces clean with a microfiber cloth or towel. No scrubbing is necessary. To remove the seat for cleaning, press and hold the release buttons on each side of the seat. Then tilt the seat up and lift off the mounting block to remove. Avoid placing tension on the hose connections. Clean the toilet bowl area as needed. To reinstall the seat, insert the seat tabs into the slots on the toilet mounting bracket. Press and hold the release buttons while tilting the seat down in place, then release the buttons. The buttons will be fully depressed when the seat is properly engaged. Reconnect the water and electrical supplies if applicable. To clean the spray wand, raise the cover and seat. Press and hold the position buttons on the remote to extend the spray wand forward for cleaning. If your KOHLER remote does not have a position icon, refer to the homeowner's guide for instructions specific to your bidet seat model. Clean the spray wand with a soft bristled brush and hot water. Press and hold the position button again to retract the spray wand. Clean the filter screen located in the seat's water supply hose every 6 months or whenever there is a reduction in water flow from the spray wand. To clean, first turn off the water at the supply stop. Next, flush the toilet to relieve water pressure. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet and remove the seat from the mounting bracket. Disconnect the water supply hose from the white inlet port on the seat. Using a long nose pliers, carefully remove the filter screen from the inlet. Clean the filter screen with a soft bristled brush. Reinstall the filter screen. Reconnect the water supply hose to the inlet and tighten the water supply hose 1/4 turn past hand tight. Plug the power cord back into the electrical outlet and turn on the water supply. Check all connections for leaks and make adjustments as needed. Follow this cleaning procedure every time to ensure your KOHLER Bidet seat looks and functions like new.